Minister of Business Hemraj Rajkumar made the announcement while pointing out that the factory will serve as an alternate market for farmers. Plantains and other ground provisions will be reproduced as flour and packaged for sale.
We have the plant, the chip factory at Leguan. Probably some of you would have heard of it. It's already built. It's already all the equipment is there, and we have a facilitator, a person who will open the factory and start its operating. It's not just planting chips, but they will be planting flour. You will be drying the planting, making planting flour, and other products from ground provisions.
Director General of the Ministry of Presidency Joseph Harmon pointed out government's plan as it relates to the operationalization of the factory.
We are looking at the establishment of plantain chip factories and things to processing these bananas and so on that you produce, so that we will be able, as a state or as companies that have been so authorized, to be able to buy these things off of you at a good price so that you can be encouraged to continue farming.
Both the business minister and the director general engaged residents of Aliki Essequibo Islands on Sunday in an effort to address their concerns. For InfoHub, Delicia Haynes.